First of all, accept my gracious congratulations to all those of you who have got the marks as per their own expectations and the people who are likely to get a branch of choice for them. However, as I understand, there is going to be a sizable number of people whose result would not have matched with their expectations or with the kind of efforts that they would have put in. There is a fair possibility that you might be feeling shattered, you might be feeling broken, you might be feeling sad, you might be feeling depressed at this point of time as well. But let us just try to regather ourselves by thinking and talking about the concept of kintsugi. In the earlier days in Japan, whenever there used to be an expensive pottery which was made up of ceramic, which used to get shattered because of an accidental fall, they used to rejoin it with the concept of kintsugi. Kin literally means the gold and sugi means joining. So whenever they were having a piece of pottery which got broken, the pieces were actually reassembled using a special type of a gold powder. They were recreated into the original pottery which it was. In a similar fashion, there are things in our life which may not go exactly the way we have planned. But let us not try to devalue ourselves. Let us not try to be in a state of despair, in a state of sadness. You need to understand that in this particular time, it is all the more important that you care for yourself much more in comparison to the usual times. You need to respect your imperfections. You need to be thoughtful of what you are going to be doing next. So when you understand that particular thing, it will take off a lot of pressure off your head. And therefore, by applying the concept of kintsugi, you are going to be kind of reassembling whatever shattered dreams, whatever shattered expectations that you had before the declaration of the result of the exam. Please also understand the fact that whenever we are going to be preparing, in general, philosophically speaking, success is not about achievement of just one goal. Remember the time when you were in class 5? All that you wanted was to get the best possible marks in your class 5 at that point. When you were in class 10, you just wanted to ace the board exams with the best possible results. Class 11 and 12, the only aim that you had in your mind was to get entry into a med school or for that matter into a professional school. So what I'm trying to highlight over here is, what I'm emphasizing over here is that success is not going to be achievement or attainment of one goal. These goals will always keep on shifting the moment you achieve them. So we need to understand that the whole journey of achieving this goal is what is to be cherished. Therefore, at this point of time, if things have not gone your way, I would rather request you to give some time, give some respect, give some love to your own self. You would find whenever there is a presence of a wound, obviously it would take some time to heal. But let us respect the scars which have happened. Let us try to bring the best version of ourselves. The moment you do it, you would find that you are having more energy to perform better in the subsequent examinations. We are always going to be there for you in case you need us. My best wishes always for wonderful success and a healthy mind of yours.